We'll guide you through how to make an iPad keyboard smaller or bigger. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as in some scenarios you may want to have a smaller keyboard or you may want to go and make it bigger. We'll guide you through this. So I'll go and show you my keyboard at the moment. As you can see, it's big. So to go and make it smaller, what we need to do is go and grab our two fingers. We're going to go and pinch in. So we'll place them on there and pinch like so and sort of flick. And as you can see, it's now small. So then we can go and start typing using it. Personally, I don't really find this that useful as it's sort of too small and I can't reach it. So to go and make it bigger, what we can do is go and place our fingers on it and then swipe like so, and it'll go and make it bigger. It's that simple. And of course, you can go and repeat that again. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching and I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye.